everyone, and welcome back to Fun Facts and Food Chats. I'm Emma from Canada.
And I'm Mateo from Mexico. We're so excited you're here because today we're diving into something everyone loves, food. But not just food. We're talking about fun facts and crazy traditions from different countries.
That's right. And don't forget, you can download our free English practice guide in the description. It has the full transcript, vocabulary, and questions to help you improve your English while having fun. Let's get started. So, in Canada, one of the weirdest snacks we're known for is ketchup-flavored chips.
Wait, what? Chips that taste like ketchup?
Yep, it sounds strange, but we love it. And another thing we're really proud of is poutine, fries with cheese curds and gravy.
I've tried it. It's delicious but very heavy. You definitely need a nap after.
True, it's not exactly light, but it's a Canadian classic.
Now, let's talk about Mexico. We love spicy food so much that even our candy is spicy.
I've tried one of those lollipops covered in chili powder. It was intense.
Haha, yes! And in some places, people eat chapulines, roasted grasshoppers seasoned with lime and chili.
That is wild. I think I'd try it once, maybe. When I visited South Korea, I was shocked by how many side dishes come with one meal. You order one thing, and suddenly your table is full.
I know, I went to Thailand and had sticky rice with mango for dessert. So simple, but so good.
Also, in Italy, I expected to find spaghetti with meatballs everywhere. But that's more of an American thing.
Exactly. In Italy, pasta is serious business. And they usually serve it without mixing meatballs.
This was so fun. We hope you enjoyed these tasty and weird food facts from around the world.
Let us know in the comments which food you'd like to try, or what surprised you the most.
And don't forget to download the free English practice guide in the description. It has this full transcript, vocabulary, and exercises.
Thanks for listening, and see you next time.